Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on building a drag-and-drop Kanban board using React and React DnD. In today's fast-paced digital world, efficient task management is crucial for enhancing productivity and optimizing workflows. Kanban boards, with their visual task management capabilities, have become an indispensable tool for teams across various industries. By integrating the robust functionalities of React and React DnD, we can create a responsive and dynamic application that not only boosts productivity, but also ensures seamless real-time updates and intuitive interactions. We'll explore how these tools come together to build a Kanban board that can be customized to meet specific business needs, helping you streamline your project management processes effectively. Let's delve into the core concepts that form the foundation of our Kanban board application. First, we have React, a powerful JavaScript library designed for building user interfaces. It allows developers to create reusable UI components, making it ideal for building complex interactive applications like a Kanban board. React's component-based architecture ensures that each part of our application is modular and maintainable. Next, we have React DnD, a specialized drag-and-drop library for React. It provides a comprehensive set of tools to implement drag-and-drop interactions, simplifying the process of creating complex UIs that require such functionality. This library ensures that our Kanban board has seamless and intuitive drag-and-drop capabilities. The Kanban methodology itself is a workflow visualization tool that originated from manufacturing. It focuses on optimizing the flow of tasks by visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and maximizing efficiency. This approach is particularly effective in project management, where it helps teams track progress and manage tasks efficiently. Effective state management is crucial for our Kanban board to handle tasks and columns dynamically. This involves managing the state of tasks, columns, and changes in real time to ensure a smooth user experience. Finally, real-time updates are essential for maintaining a collaborative workflow. By implementing features that allow tasks to update in real time, we ensure that all team members are on the same page, regardless of their location or time zone. Now, let's look at some code to see how we can implement our Kanban board. We'll start with our project setup, which includes defining our dependencies and scripts in the package.json file. This file is crucial as it outlines the structure of our application and the tools we will use. In our package.json, we specify React, React DOM, React scripts, React DnD, and React DnD HTML5 backend as dependencies. These libraries are essential for building our drag-and-drop functionality and managing our application state. We also include UID for generating unique IDs for our tasks, and ESLint for maintaining code quality. Here's how our package.json file looks. Imagine you're using the Kanban board application. Upon accessing the application, you'll see three columns: to do, in progress, and done. Each column contains cards representing tasks. Initially, the to do column has two tasks. In progress has one, and done also has one task. The beauty of this application lies in its drag and drop functionality. You can easily drag a task from the to do column and drop it into the in progress column. Once you do this, you'll notice that the task count in to do decreases by 1, while the in progress column updates to reflect the new task. Similarly, you can move tasks from in progress to done, ensuring that the task flow is accurately represented visually. This intuitive interaction enhances productivity by providing real-time updates and an easy-to-understand visual representation of task progress. In summary, we've explored the process of building a drag-and-drop Kanban board using React and React DnD. We've seen how React's component-based architecture and React DnD's specialized library create a seamless and intuitive application. The Kanban methodology provides a visual framework for optimizing task management and enhancing team productivity. By implementing real-time updates and effective state management, we've ensured that our application is both dynamic and responsive, meeting the demands of modern project management. As you embark on building your own Kanban board, remember the importance of understanding the underlying concepts, observing how they come together in practice, and actively experimenting with different configurations to meet your unique workflow needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I encourage you to apply these principles to create efficient and effective task management solutions in your projects.